Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use Dashlane to secure your accounts. If you're watching this, you probably have a system for your passwords. Maybe it's the same 3 variations for every site, a notebook on your desk, or worse, you rely on your browser to remember everything. At this time, that's a recipe for disaster. Data breaches are happening at record speeds, and today I'm going to show you how to lock down your digital life using Dashlane. It's no longer just a vault for your passwords. It's a proactive security assistant that monitors the dark web, provides a built-in VPN, and even handles the new world of passwords. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to cover everything from the initial setup and importing your old data to mastering the web-first interface and securing your identity. By the end of this tutorial, you have a professional-grade security setup that runs on autopilot. Also, if you want to try out Dashlane yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 6 months free of their premium plan. That's half a year of top-tier security on your home. So make sure to grab that before we dive in. So let's get started. So first things first, you'll need to get over to dashlane.com and this is what you'll find. At the top right corner, you can see some options. So if you'd like to change the language, of course, you could change it among 3 other options apart from English. Of course, we're sticking with English and you have login and install. Now, installing the web browser extension is important if you'd like to use Dashlane. So we're going to go ahead and click on login or install. Again, at this point, why this doesn't matter is it takes you to the same place. You'll need to have the web extension. So let's click install and then it takes us to our web store. You can see here Dashlane Password Manager. You're going to click Get. And right here, you can see that the Dashlane Password Manager is now installed. And then it takes you to this page. It says start using Dashlane for free. So we're going to go ahead and provide our email address and press next. And then on this page, you can see how would you like to secure your account. We're going to click on create a master password. Now, once you create this password, this is the only password you'll ever need to remember again. So make it strong, make it unique, and for the love of security, don't use password 123. Once you've set these up, you can review these checkboxes and then click on create my account. So as you can see, we've created our password. It also says that it's loving this. This is the password strength bar and it's looking green, which means that it's good. So we're going to click on create my account. And as a beginner, once you follow the previous steps, this is where you find yourself. So at this point, we've been able to install the Dashlane extension and we've also created our master password. So let's proceed. Now, a password manager is only useful if your passwords are actually in it. If you've been letting Google or Safari save your passwords, it's time to move them. Here in the Dashlane web app, you're going to go over to settings, which can be located at the top left corner where you can see your vault and your email address. Click on the drop down and click on settings. Now here on the right, you'll see the options. To have your passwords from other sources, you can click on import data. Then you have a field area right here, which also is a drop down. It says, where are you importing data from? So you can see the range of options here. Now, these are popular options, so we expect that you might be choosing one of these. If you don't have these, however, you can also use other CSV. So here you can upload a CSV file or use the direct browser to import it. And Dashlane will pull in all your usernames and URLs in seconds. So now that we've got the basics down, we're just scratching the surface of what the premium version can do. Now let's take a closer look at the sidebar. Now on the left sidebar, you see your main navigation menu. You see logins, passkeys, payments, secure notes, personal info, and IDs. It's clean and it's where you'll be spending most of your time. Then you have tools. Here under tools, you have the password health. Now, this dashboard is a wake-up call. It analyzes your vault and gives you a score based on how many weak, reused, or compromised passwords you might be having. If a site you use gets breached, Dashlane will flag it here immediately. Also, if you want to try out Dashlane yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 6 months free of their premium plan. That's half a year of top-tier security on your home. Now, security isn't just about passwords. Let's take a look at the payment section on the left side menu. If you click on payment, you can add your credit cards and debit cards here. If you click on add payment info, you see credit and debit card and bank account. If you click on debit credit card, you can see you put in here your cardholder name, your card number, your security code, the date of expiration, your notes, item organization, and then of course you could save it and add it to your payment section. And this is great because the next time you're shopping, Dashlane will automatically fill in your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Because it's encrypted with AES-256, it's significantly safer than saving your card information on every individual shopping site. So down below right here is the ID section. You can use this for your driver's license and passport info. It's perfect for booking flights or filling out government forms without having to dig through your wallet. And then of course you have security notes. Need to save your Wi-Fi password, a gate code, or sensitive medical info? Well, go ahead and put it right here. You can click on Add Security Note, put the title, put the content, and of course you could set it in the right place in organization and decide to protect this item, such as asking for authentication to unlock this secure note even while you're in Dashlane. With secure notes, you get 1 GB of encrypted file storage, so you can upload PDF copies of your birth certificate or insurance papers, knowing they're locked behind your master password and available on any device which you authorize. Now, one of the unique things about Dashlane compared to other competitors like 1Password or Bitwarden is the VPN. In the sidebar, you can see VPN right here. Dashlane includes a full subscription to Hotspot Shield. This is essential for you when you're traveling or using public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or an airport. Public networks are notorious for man-in-the-middle attacks where hackers sniff your data. By turning on Dashlane VPN, you're creating an encrypted tunnel for all your internet traffic. It's a $12 a month value just included in your plan. You'll need to activate it once in the web app, and then you can run it directly from your computer or mobile device. Now, to finish your setup, you need to go ahead and download the Dashlane app on your mobile device. Because of the sync feature, everything you just did on your computer is already there. So go ahead and enable biometric unlock, could be your Face ID or fingerprint immediately. This acts as a shortcut so you don't have to type that long massive password every time you want to log on into your Instagram or your banking app. Also, keep an eye for passkeys. In recent times, many major sites like Google, Amazon, and Apple are moving away gradually from passwords entirely. When a site asks if you want to create a passkey, just go ahead and say yes. Dashlane will store that digital key in your vault. To log in next time, you won't even need a password, just your face or fingerprint. It's the highest level of security available today. In conclusion, if you're looking for a balance between extreme security and everyday convenience, Dashlane is the top pick currently. While other managers might be slightly cheaper, they don't always offer VPN and dark web monitoring bundle that makes Dashlane a complete security suite. For most of you, the premium plan is a sweet spot because it offers unlimited devices and all the monitoring tools. If you have a family, the Friends and Family is an incredible deal, covering up to 10 separate accounts for just a few dollars. So if you're ready to stop worrying about your data, you can go ahead and use my link in the description to get 6 months of Dashlane Premium for free. It's the easiest way to test drive these features and see just how much simpler your digital life can be. We hope at this point you've been able to get a full grasp on how to use Dashlane to secure your account step by step. Go ahead and start your journey of using Dashlane to ease up your workflow efficiency, and we'll see you in the next one.